Hey guys, this is Arnav. In today's short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create logos like this for your website. It's a free process. You don't need any paid tool or any paid software. Just head over to logomaker.com. Check the spelling Logomakr. Okay, create a new design. You can cut all these pop-ups. Here we can add a text, change the color, maybe this one. Here we can change the fonts, and here we can search for our icons. Here it is. Drag it to the left, change the size, and change the size of your text as well. That's pretty much it. That's it. Just click save and click this icon. Your logo is saved. Open it. Here we have our logo. It's a PNG file, transparent PNG. So start making your logo today with this awesome tool, and please subscribe the channel if you find this tutorial helpful.